This literature kit on Macbeth by William Shakespeare offers an assessment rubric and writing prompts to inspire student comprehension. 55 pages chock full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Speculate the advantages and disadvantages to knowing the future in advance. Put the events from the play in the order that they happen as Macbeth contemplates killing the king. Explain what is Macbeth's greatest worry now that he is king. Students write their own scene in which Macduff confronts Macbeth directly with his suspicions about the murder of the king. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing an epilogue where Hecate meets up with the Weird Sisters to discuss the events that ended the play. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete an analysis of Lady Macbeth by discussing her influence on the events of the play. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.